This is probably the most important video help guide of the Show My Homework section because it shows you how to look at the homework that you've got and when to tell when it's due. So I've logged on because it's got the welcome message, and automatically it'll log on to this as your to-do list. Click on my to-do list. Due means if you've got any homework that is due soon. Issued means all the homework you have issued, even though it might not be due for a while. So this tells you the subject, the title that the teacher's put, and then when it's due. So you can click on that, and then you see the homework details. Here it tells you the subject. This is when the teacher set it. This is due on the 16th of September. Miss M. Kirk set this homework, and the homework is for this class. You need to read this instructions very carefully, and if you're not sure, you can email your teacher using the email system. At the bottom, it tells you this homework will take approximately 15 minutes, and the teacher will change this number depending on how long it should last. This tells you if your teacher would like you to do it in your book and hand it in class as normal, or whether it's an online submission and you have to do something on the Show My Homework programme. Reminder here of where it's due, and if you want to, if you've done, you can mark that homework as complete. If you do mark your homework as complete, there's two ways you can do it. Either on the homework itself or if you click on here. The only problem with that is that then it disappears from your list. So, if you clicked on that accidentally, or you want to know all your homework that you have, another good way to check your homework is to go onto My Calendar. And this has got all your homework. So it says for transformational learning, show my homework test, what class, and then the teacher. And I'll show you about the colours in a different video. You can click next week to see if any of them are due earlier. These are still valid for next week. And then they're all due on the 16th. And if you wanted to, you could just search for different subjects if you just needed to remind yourself of when, say, your science homework was. So that's the way you check your homework, either My Calendar or your to-do list. And the to-do list, you can look at homework issued, and when it's done you can tick it off there so you know what you've got left to do. And that's how you check your homework. The next task for you to do, you should have 3 homeworks that you can see. There's only 2 here because one's been checked off. 3 homeworks I'd like you to spend a little bit of time doing each now just to get used to it. Good luck.